Next, there is no blanket protection available to the laws inserted in the 9th schedule by constitutional amendments. Now what is 9th schedule? 9th schedule क्या है?
The matters which are segregated in the 9th schedule which are not questioned in the court.
Not questioned means they are immune from judicial review. So what happened is, initially in the 9th schedule, anything, any law, if it is put into the 9th schedule, it cannot be, judiciary cannot review it. It is immune from judicial review. But no, in this case, very important, from 2007, in 2007, in IR Coelho case, from that day the Supreme Court said no. If you put anything, it will be under judicial review. Most of the things are judicial review. There are judicial review always. ठीक है? So there is no blanket protection available to the laws. Protection available नहीं है. Okay? So answer, this statement is right. Second, very important. The Supreme Court has ruled out the list of the basic structures of the Constitution and has taken possession of it. Right or wrong? Right? It seems like very correct statement. It seems like correct statement. What is basic structure? Basic structure means those part of the Constitution which the Parliament cannot amend it.
But they are not mentioned.
They are mentioned by the judiciary. They are mentioned by the judiciary at different cases. In different cases, they are mentioned by the judiciary that these are the things which you cannot change. For example, independent of judiciary, Parliament cannot change. Parliamentary form of government, you cannot change. Suppose today you come with a law and bring, from today there will be presidential form of government. You can't do, because it is a part of the basic structure which you cannot change. Now see the question. The Supreme Court has ruled out a list of basic structures of the Constitution and has taken possession of it. Supreme Court has ruled out the basic structures from different cases. Keshwananda Bharati case, lot of cases. Lot of cases it has taken the possession. But क्या उसका possession, possession means what? Possession means क्या वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट का है? Owning. No. This statement looks very correct. In real time when you give the exam, you will put it as a correct. Because हमने पढ़ा है लक्ष्मीकांत में एक लिस्ट में how Lakshmikant gave this basic structure chapter. There is a list. Some 10 to 12 basic structures. This list is given in the book. It is compiled. It is not given by Supreme Court at a time. It has given, Supreme Court gave from different judgments. Sound kam karo. From different judgments. Okay. So possession मतलब क्या? Suppose you buy a land, you own possession of it. Supreme Court ने वैसा कुछ नहीं किया. ये Supreme Court का नहीं है. Supreme Court does not possess it or own it. It simply gave the doctrine कि basic structure में these are the things which Parliament cannot amend. That's it. So this statement, the second part of the statement makes the whole statement wrong. No, possession नहीं है. Clear? So the Supreme Court has refused to foreclose its list of basic structure from various decisions so far. It means it said ये जब मेरा नहीं है, so why will I make a list and give? I have given from various judgments. You made a list and made notes. That does not mean कि Supreme Court has given this list. Supreme Court ने बस अलग-अलग judgment से list दिया.
Maybe updated also.
Huh?
Maybe basic structure terms are updated also.
From lot of, there are 10 to 12 basic structures we know. They have come from Supreme Court only. But Supreme Court says it is not mine thing. I simply said, I will not take possession of it. Remember. Clear? Okay.